So, yeah. Alexa, what is the time?
It's 7:44 p.m.
Right, so time is 7:44 p.m. and I just went for a little bit of shopping. So, yeah. Let's get these bags down. So, I'll do my dinner quickly while I am doing this. I am already heating my oven over there, and I need bread. Tunaona hapo. Utapenda chisa. I'm not even going to work them. But this I'm not going to do. So I don't have cheese, and I want to do my quick dinner. I think I just want to eat cheese on toast, I think. But there we go, I don't have enough cheese. So yeah, so I bought rosemary leaves, fresh ones, and then I bought mixed leaf salad. Yep. And now I think that you got money.
You get the money.
That's the only money that you have. So I'm just gonna put this down, and then I'll show you quick. So. So I bought my padron peppers, and then I bought baby plum tomatoes and mint, and then I bought parsley. These are the receipts. I don't need these receipts anyways. Okay. And all-time favorite. Right. I bought bananas. And then I bought bananas. More banana. And then I bought easy peelers. I bought more easy peelers. And then I bought my avocados. Okay. I bought 2. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm so hungry. Can't remember the last time I ate. I think it was 1, and it's already a few minutes to 8. And then I bought sweet pears, as they say. I bought ketchup. I bought Granny seed apples. I think I'm gonna start doing my what do you call that juice? With apples, these green apples, and my lemons and celeries over there. Okay, so I've got celeries over there, I've got lemons, I've got apples, and then I'm gonna add some mint leaves and some baby spinach. That's my favorite. If you watch few of my videos, I love spinach. Okay, and then I bought brown onions, and then oops, didn't know that this was in there. Then I bought my all-time favorite oatmeal because I'm lactose intolerant, so yeah. And then I bought pasta, and then all from in that bag. Then I've got another bag. I don't think I put. I don't even have baked beans. I don't have baked beans in here.
하나
I'm
아무래도
gonna roast myself.
아무래도 가라.
Mother God,
시시니 뭐 하고 만나기.
I've got an
여기 옆에
assistant.
뭐.
Oh, so yeah, I bought my eggs.
안 내서 먹으면 먹고.
Why do I say my eggs?
모르는 이거 몰라.
How many eggs? I bought natural yogurt. I couldn't find the bigger one. So I just bought this one. Then, I've got an assistant here. Guys, I'm so tired. I went out of this house around 8:30, I think. And I'm just coming home now. I finished work about half one, and then we started the training until 5, or a few minutes past 5, and then I went shopping, and I'm just coming home now. Okay, so I bought Royal Gala apples, and then I've got an assistant here. She's helping me, and then I bought spinach. And then got cucumber, okay? And then I bought chicken wings. I bought chicken. I bought 2 packs of chicken. One is over there. There she is. Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy. Get up. Get on, mommy. Get up. Hey, she didn't want to give me. And then I bought this milk, semi-skimmed milk. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna spread the chicken.
I mean, it's helping.
Um.
And then I bought more apples. And then I bought ginger. So ginger, spinach, apples, lemons, celery, and avocado, and strawberry, and nut milk, and yogurt, bananas, mint. Wow, I've got a lot for my smoothies and my juice. Right, and then ginger. It's okay. And then last, no. I've got carrots. I've got carrots. Right. So that's my little shopping. And then Honey went to buy me this favorite bread. I feel like this bread tastes more like bread in Namibia, I think. So I like this wholemeal bread. War buttons. Let me speak my British English. Anyways, so that's my little shopping, and then I get cheese. Oh, I'll do some egg. Don't know what to eat, honestly. Right. So yeah, I'll just see what I can eat, and then put away all this. And yeah.